Well, before I begin, I must say that this product is unbelievable. It is so good. It said fully cooked and it's cooked perfect. And yesterday I made a recipe for a octopus and cucumber salad. My wife loved it. I enjoyed it. I think it's going to be a good one. And so now I have about 9-10 ounces left. This costs $18 for 17.5 ounces. Considering 5 ounces was used yesterday for the salad for 2 people, and today I'm going to make 5 ounces just for me with pasta. So let's get started. You see all this gel in the package? Don't discard that. That is so flavorful. It tastes like the octopus, so why would you want to throw it out? So I'm going to save some there. So I'll put the gel in that. Because I don't know what I'm going to make with the rest, but I'm certainly going to make another video. Maybe I'll make it with rice. The octopus, very healthy stuff. Just all you have to do is Google it. It is so good for you. But it's hard to, if I had to buy raw octopus, I'd have to do a little traveling. So this came up in Costco and I go, let's see. Anyway, I'll make thin slices, and since I'm serving it with Bowtie pasta, well, you can use any pasta you want. The reason I'm using Bowtie is because it's in the cabinet. I like spaghetti, but I can eat it faster with Bowtie, and that's what I enjoy. So we cut this like so. So when I use a spoon to pick it up with the Bowtie, it's going to be a mouthful. And the rest of this, I'm just going to cut down the middle so the slices aren't that large. It's a little slippery. And that'll be the first prep. Now I'm going to cut up all the vegetables, and this really takes no time at all. Now we're going to add everything I cut up into there except the parsley and the scallions. They go in at the very end when you're ready to serve. While this is sauteing gently, I will cut up the scallions and the parsley, and I will put the pasta in to boil. Moderate flame. I'm in a rush because I have to get this finished. There's the salt, the pepper, the basil's in there. I put dry, you can use fresh. So it's going to saute for a few minutes, you don't have to watch. I just strained the Bowtie pasta. You do not wash it. And this is still hot, but not that hot, so we're turning it back on. And we're putting in there the parsley, the scallions, and the octopus. Just get all those flavors together. Because you don't want to cook the octopus at all. You could make it tougher. I should say you can make it tough by overcooking it. That's why it was cooked to perfection when I opened the package. Just want to heat this up, let the flavors flow together. And now, I'm going to add the hot, dry pasta. I'm going to put this in the bowl. See, I cook extra pasta because I love eating the pasta maybe more than the ingredients in there, because the pasta picks up all the flavor. So that's why I made 5 ounces. This is all for me. Normally this would be like 3.5 ounces per person. And there we go. That is done. When you put it on the plate, get a good look at it. That's true, I made this just for one person, but with the extra pasta, it could be for 2, but not, yeah, whatever. You see what's left in there. And then we have this, put some grated cheese on it, and you're done. Hope you enjoy.